In this video, I will show how to create a condenser coil for a refrigerator. Just a basic model. Take any plane, select the line command, then draw a horizontal line, click on escape. Now here you can see the midpoint of the line. Click on the midpoint and press Ctrl. Click on the axis 0 point. Here you can see the relations horizontal, vertical, coincident. Click on coincident. Now we can see that the line is adjusted with the axis. Okay. Now you need to give the dimension. Let's make it 8 centimeter because our unit system is selected as CGS system. I need to create more line like this. So we will use the linear sketch pattern command. Here you can see another option, circular sketch pattern, but as we need more line uh, vertically, so we will use the linear sketch pattern. It will be one. Create 8. Okay, now you can see 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if I want to do the same thing in the negative y direction, then just click here. Again, select the linear sketch pattern, and this time you just need to make it one. You just need to click here. You can see reverse direction. It will create the line in negative y-axis, just like this. Make it 3. Okay. Here you can see total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total 10 line. Now I need to select the arc. Click 2 point here. Do the same thing again. You just need to do the same thing again and again to make the arc like this. Okay, our task is almost ready. Click the close dialog. Okay. Again, take a line from here, from here. On this space. Okay. Give the dimension 1.5, 10.25. Okay. Now I need round shape here, so I will select the sketch plate option. Now just click here and here. Now you can see the round shape. Okay. You can hide this. Okay. You can see our sketch is almost ready. Now you can click the exit sketch. So to create a hollow pipe, you need to click on features option, click on the Swift boss base. Here you can see two mode, sketch profile and circular profile. We are going to create a circular pipe, so we will select the circular profile. Our sketch one is selected. Here you can see the diameter of the pipe. We will select it 0.2. Okay, now you can see our pipe is almost ready, but we are going to make a hollow pipe because uh, the refrigerant passes through the condenser. So click on thin features. It has changed to as a hollow pipe. 0 point, make it 0.01. Okay, okay. Our condenser pipe is almost ready. Here you can see the material is not specified, so you can select the material, select it copper. Okay, so our object is almost ready. You can see this is a hollow pipe. So in this way you can use the linear pattern command, switch boss base command, also sketch plate command.